Hi there, I want to look at a cool text effect. I'm going to start off by making my background black. So I'm going to flip over my primary and my secondary, and then go fill. So we've got a nice black background. And then I'm going to pull up the text tool. I'm using TWSen MT condensed, set to white. So I'm just going to, well, that's not good, I can't see a thing. Let's just turn off my background, see if I've actually typed anything. Ooh, so good. Let's just bin both of those. What's happening here? Right, that's as big as it wants to go. Let's make a new layer. There we go, needed a new layer. Sign of intelligence. Let's just put Dan there. I'm going to hold down Alt and scale up my text. Ooh. Monday morning, everything's working really well. That's fine. Let's put my background on so we can see it. Let's just try and get it centered. That's centered there, I think. I've duplicated it, haven't I? Bin. There we go. Got there in the end. Right, this is editable text. I want to rasterize it just to turn it into non-editable text. So I'm going to right click it and rasterize the layer. Now if we're to zoom in this, it would be just pixels. Next thing I want to do is get onto my smudge tool, which should be hidden under the blur tool. Smudge tool. And I've got it set to 59 here. Let's just see if that's about right. Yeah, that's fine. I'm just going to click and drag to kind of stretch out the top of my letters. Depending on how fast your computer is, this can be a really slow job, but we're not doing too badly today. We're just kind of smearing out the bottom of these letters, stretching them along. That's good like that. Brilliant. Next thing I want to do is click on the new adjustment layer button and choose gradient, and it opens up with a black and white gradient by default. But if you click on this little gradient panel here, you get the gradient picker, and click on these little tiny arrows and you should see banks of coloured gradients. I'm going to use that one. You can use any you choose. Let's just OK that and OK that. Then we need to change our blend mode from normal to overlay or screen. I'm going to go with overlay, and you start getting this cool effect. Now, if I was to select my text layer again and then go to levels over here, I didn't do levels then, I just did curves, which is not what we wanted. Monday morning, levels. And we just adjust the levels, specifically the middle slider. These effects work on the proximity to 50% grey. So if it's where we stretched it, we've kind of added in grey tones just for the effect of stretching it, and we can just dial in and make the effect a little bit more cool looking. Now, something we did in class, because we started off my demonstration on a white background. So if we select you want to do the reverse. I wonder if we can do both layers at once. I've shift selected both. Image, no we can't. So we go, just select one, image, adjustments, invert. No, you can't see anything. Select the text, rasterize text layer, image, adjustments, invert. Let's do the effect the reverse way around. Now you can continue to mess with your stretching once you've got the effect on, so you can dial it in and make it a little bit cooler. But I shall leave it there. Have a go with that and let me know how you get on. Thank you for watching.